Hey guys, what's up? It's Apple Critics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the new AirPods Studio that's made by Apple, and it's going to be Apple's over-the-ear headphones that they're going to be announcing in the near future. Now, there has been many rumors about the AirPods Studio, so in this video, I'm going to be telling you basically what we should expect and everything you need to know about the AirPods Studio. So to start off, is the price. So the price of the AirPods Studio will be approximately $349, and this was confirmed by John Prosser, who is a insider in Apple, and he has been right with many of the leaks when it comes to Apple before. So with the price of the AirPods Studio coming in at $349, so we'll put them in line with the Bose 700 noise-canceling headphones, along with the Sony WH-1000XM3 noise-canceling headphones. So it will be right in the middle of the Bose and the Sony competition in terms of noise-canceling over-the-ear headphones. So this is basically Apple's spin on the Beats Pro. It'll also have a lot more great features within these headphones, and it'll be similar in terms of the AirPod technology in it, and it'll have a lot of new features that will make you want to go out and buy the AirPods Studio. Now, the Apple insider of John Prosser didn't elaborate on the details of when the AirPods Studio will be coming out, but he did say that you should expect them in the near future, and Apple is coming closer and closer with the announcement of these headphones. Now, he did give the code name of the AirPods Studios, and the code name is the B515, and he said that it'll just have the same AirPods branding, hence it'll be named AirPods Studio. And once again, it is just basically Apple's twist on the Beats Studio headphone, since Apple has owned Beats for a good 5 years now. Now, the main focus of these over-the-ear headphones will be noise cancellation, but there will actually be two models. So one will be like a high fashion model, and another one will be fitness focused. So when I hear that, that makes me think of the Apple Watch, how there is a very luxury Hermes Apple Watch, and then there's also a Nike Plus sports kind of Apple Watch. So Apple is basically targeting two different segments of the market, and I'm pretty sure that they will be successful with it, as they tend to do their market research very well, and they can easily target these segments. Now, normally they're spot on, and I'm pretty sure that these headphones will again be a phenomenon and be a bestseller for Apple. Now, the AirPods Studio will have the high fashion ones that will be leather like fabrics within it, and the other one for the sports type of AirPods Studio will have more breathable materials, and materials that are likely to go well with when you sweat. So when you sweat, you don't want to have some leather like headphones on. Instead, it'll just have some more breathable material and adapt to a fitness atmosphere and environment overall. Now, there was a code name called AirPod X, which was supposed to target the fitness crowd. So that is just basically the evolution of the AirPod Studio. So that means that we're coming closer and closer. And there's been many reports about the AirPod X, so it seems like we're getting closer now that we know the code name of B515, and that we're finally getting some more details about the AirPod Studio, especially with one being a fitness one and the other one being a sports over-the-ear headphones made by Apple. Now, it looks like we're going to get the high fashion one first for the AirPods Studio, and then we're going to get introduced to the sports version. So Apple will find another way to get everybody to flock towards the fashion one, and then once we get used to them, then they're going to adapt it to have the sports one. So that is basically Apple's initial rollout plan for the AirPods Studios. Now, some exclusive features about the AirPods Studio also include inside the ear detection, so it can tell whether they're over your ears. And then there's also the detection whether the AirPods are on top of your head or on your neck. So you can see that the AirPods Studios are going to be really an integral piece of technology that will elevate Apple to a better standard, and it just has a lot of good features to offer, and it'll definitely be having all the smart technology implemented within it. So the AirPods Studios will essentially stop and start depending on where they are. So if they're on your ear, they'll start just like the regular AirPods, and then when they're on your neck, it'll just automatically stop. So it will have that technology, and this is what you would expect in AirPods, since it's just like the the normal AirPods, but it'll just be adapted for the new version of it. Now there will be a new sensor in the AirPods Studio that will allow you to wear it on the front or the back, so it doesn't matter which side you're wearing the AirPods Studios, it will still work. And now there's also some leaked code in iOS 14 that say the AirPods Studio will be coming in white or black. So those are the two expected colors for the AirPods Studio. Now the AirPods Studio will also have active noise cancellation and a transparency mode, so it'll just be like the AirPods Pro. So those are two expected features that you will expect to see in the AirPods Studio as well. Now the AirPods Studio will also include interchangeable parts, so that's good to see that they'll have those interchangeable parts with it, and it'll just be able to have a lot of customization implemented within the AirPods Studios. So those are the main features that you can expect in the AirPods Studios, and definitely comment down below what you think of the AirPods Studios and if you're going to be spending $349 to get your hands on this new Apple product. So please be sure to thumbs up this video as it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also be sure to subscribe for more great content and follow me on the social mediums that include Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and my username there is Apple Critics. Once again, I'm your host Apple Critics, and thanks for watching.